In this video, I will show you how to view the inventory adjustment history in Shopify. And this feature is especially helpful if you notice there's a discrepancy in your Shopify inventory. So to view the inventory history, log into Shopify admin account and then click on products. Then let's open one of the products. Let's start with this one, vanilla candle. Then scroll a bit down till you find the inventory section right here, and then click on adjustment history. On this page, you'll see the inventory adjustment history for the specific location. In my case, I have two locations, so I can switch between them two to view the inventory adjustment history for this particular product for each location. Currently, I've selected the Toronto location. As you can see, right here is the date column. You can see the time and date when the inventory change took place. And just keep in mind that this page shows the inventory adjustment history for the last 90 days. Right here, you'll see the activity column, which shows the event that caused the inventory change to take place. And most times it's going to be related to the order fulfillment or order creation and so on. However, if you manually adjusted the inventory, it's going to show something like inventory correction followed by the username that made the change. And of course, right here, you'll see the inventory states like unavailable, committed, available, and on hand. As an example, let's take a look at February 12th, I've had an order fulfillment and the final inventory on hand was 3 units. And just today, I manually adjusted the inventory by 2 units. So in total, I have 5 units of the product available on my online store. And in total, in the warehouse, in my Toronto location, I have 5 units. And of course, I can view the inventory change for the Montreal location too, just by switching right here. In case you have products with multiple variants, the process is very much straightforward. So let me just go back to products and then open this particular product. It has 3 variants. Let's scroll a bit down till we find the variant section. And then let's start with small variant. Just keep in mind that you cannot view the inventory history for all variants at the same time. You have to view them individually. So let's start off with small variant and then click on adjustment history. And right here, it's going to show the adjustment history for the small variant in the Toronto location. If I want to view the Montreal's location, I have to switch it right here. And the same process applies if I would like to view the inventory history for the medium variant. So let's select medium, click on adjustment history. And as you can see, in Montreal, there was not much of an adjustment for the last 90 days, so you don't see much information here. But for Toronto's location, there was an adjustment history. So that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.